Tesla shares under pressure today, off about 0.3%, adding to its weekly losses of about 7%. But based on your latest call, it sounds like you'd use the 7% decline as a good buying opportunity?
Yeah, I think that's right. Just given the meteoric run-up that the stock has had so far this year, it really wasn't a great setup heading into the earnings release. The bar had been set so high, and so with the earnings release, although they reported a significant bottom line beat, there wasn't a whole lot in terms of new developments. They reiterated their prior 2023 auto volume guidance, and just not a whole lot in terms of new developments. Margins are under pressure. Obviously, that was the focus of the release. So, we view this sell-off this week, though, as a buying opportunity. And really one of the market's strongest long-term earnings growth stories, we think, is how we view Tesla.
Today, we're going to discuss an exciting topic that's been gaining traction among investors and analysts alike. This is from the words of an investing expert who has a track record of identifying groundbreaking companies and profitable investments. This is none other than American venture capitalist and founder of social capital firm Chamath Palihapitiya. The investment experts identified a critical event in the history of Tesla and believes that Tesla could be having its iPhone moment right now. Apple attained global dominance between 2012 and 2014, reaching a market cap of $3 trillion. And now, Tesla may be replicating this. The automaker has the potential to reshape the automotive industry. And just as the iPhone revolutionized how we interact with phones, this is going to do the same for vehicles. As investors, this iPhone moment for Tesla can represent a potential turning point for long-term growth with profitability. And so anyone who's betting on Tesla now may be up for massive returns on their investment. Let's hear what the analysts are saying.
I think he kind of needs to pull a rabbit, and I think if I think there is a rabbit to maybe be seen at this point, is this shift toward this North American standard plug system that Tesla really pioneered. They own. It's in use in their supercharger network, which is now being embraced by other automakers, and they're going to all be switching to his plug standard. If Elon can keep building out that infrastructure, he could be, the one who does the subscription model where he's going to get all this money starting to roll in through people using his network as much or more than any other network to charge their vehicles. So while the product side, I think, doesn't look particularly bright in the near term, I think the longer term infrastructure play could be huge for him. And these moves recently to switch to his system, his plug, his supercharger network from all these other automakers, that could actually be much bigger and a much more important play in long term.
In the EV world, Tesla is often hailed as a pioneer, and rightfully so. From the early days of the Roadster to the now iconic Model 3 and Model S, Tesla has consistently pushed the boundaries of what EVs can do, just like what the iPhone did with the mobile phone industry. So for Palihapitiya to say this about Tesla, then he must have seen something not everyone is able to see about Tesla, especially the bears. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. You might be wondering, what exactly is Tesla's iPhone moment? Well, it refers to a pivotal moment in a company's trajectory when a groundbreaking product or technology revolutionizes an entire industry, much like what Apple did with the iPhone back in 2007. For Palihapitiya, this is that moment for Tesla. As he revealed in a recent tweet, Tesla was his top pick for 2017 at a split-adjusted price today of approximately $22. According to him, his comparison at the time was that of Tesla being like Apple and the Model 3 and Y being its iPhone moment. Now let's take a closer look at the factors that suggest that Tesla is experiencing its own iPhone moment right now, and what Chamath Palihapitiya has to say about it. But before we carry on, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. In his tweet, Palihapitiya gave a couple of reasons as to why he had this to say about Tesla. According to him, Tesla may be having its shot at monopolizing the EV industry. He started off by explaining that high interest and supply chain inflation increases have actually generally resulted in higher end prices, driving lower consumer demand for most companies. But Tesla cut prices and demand grew as a result of this. He also added that these price cuts eat into the automaker's short-term margins. Higher demand allowed for Tesla to make higher profits, and because of this, there was a huge volume of cars sold. And what's his takeaway? It is for Tesla to revolutionize and then rationally keep cutting prices, to saturate the world with their products and create some sort of monopoly if possible. This is not something every Tesla investor will agree with, but we're going to take you through why this could be the best line of action for Tesla. Tesla's recent record-breaking Q2 deliveries have really caught the attention of investors and analysts worldwide. With Tesla delivering 460,000 vehicles in just a single quarter, it's evident that the demand for electric vehicles is soaring. This growth trajectory is reminiscent of the initial surge in iPhone sales when the world realized the potential of smartphones. As more people realize the benefits of driving electric vehicles, there's going to be a bigger shift towards EVs. And if Tesla is able to sell those cars at cheaper prices, then more people are likely to opt for a Tesla car. This could be Tesla's chance to finally achieve monopoly. Think about how massive that's going to be for the company. According to Palihapitiya, as rates eventually start going lower, demand is naturally going to go up. And at that time, Tesla should be able to sell more cars, and if they keep cutting prices, demand will increase while total profitability also still goes up. It's a win-win situation. Chamath Palihapitiya also mentioned Tesla's supercharging deals with other EV makers, stating its close similarity to Apple's move. According to him, Tesla is going to benefit from these supercharger deals, just as Apple made a lot of profit from third-party apps. And the interesting thing is, Tesla could also license its FSD software. Tesla's continuous innovation in autonomous driving tech is akin to that of the iPhone's introduction of the App Store. Tesla's FSD capabilities are setting a new standard for autonomous driving, positioning Tesla as the leader in the race towards safer and more efficient transportation. Another aspect that contributes to Tesla's iPhone moment is the company's diversified approach beyond just electric vehicles. Tesla's energy business is rapidly growing, with solar energy systems and energy storage products gaining traction worldwide. And this diversification echoes Apple's expansion into services like the App Store, iCloud, Apple Music, and all of those solidified its position as a tech giant. Tesla's energy production aligns with the company's mission to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. And this commitment to clean energy as a future for Tesla sets it apart from other auto manufacturers. Furthermore, Tesla's global expansion is reminiscent of how quickly the iPhone became a global phenomenon. With gigafactories sprouting up in multiple countries, Tesla is strategically positioning itself to cater to the growing demand for electric vehicles on a global scale. All of these factors combined contribute to show that Tesla is actually experiencing a turning point that could redefine the future of the EV industry. With Elon Musk's visionary leadership and Tesla's relentless pursuit of innovation, the company is setting itself up for a future that may parallel Apple's journey into the iPhone's release. Of course, with such transformative growth also comes challenges and uncertainties. The EV market is competitive and Tesla faces various regulatory and production challenges. However, much like Apple's ability to navigate obstacles and evolve over time, Tesla has shown resilience and adaptability in addressing challenges head-on. Tesla's journey towards an iPhone moment is unfolding right now, and it's important to keep a close eye on what's going on. What do you think about Tesla's potential iPhone moment? Let us know, and for more updates on Tesla, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.